In today's video, I'm going to share with you one standing yoga asana that is going to stimulate the full body. Hi, my name is Candace and I am a certified Hatha yoga teacher. This yoga asana is called Uttanasana, standing forward bend, Sanskrit for what I like to call standing forward fold. In this posture, you'll be stimulating the digestive tract. Not only does it do that, but most importantly, it engages the hamstrings, opens up the hips in your lower back muscles. It relieves low back tension as well as stretching the upper back, and it also engages your proprioceptive. Not only is this pose a standing forward bend, it's considered an inversion because it requires your head to be lower than your heart. So let's get into the pose. In this posture, you're most likely standing from Tadasana, which is called your mountain pose. This posture mostly starts in a traditional stance with your feet or your toes touching, but in most cases, some find that it's a little more, you find yourself a little more stable with your feet spread apart. So grounding your feet into the earth, having all points of your feet into the earth grounded, and then engaging your core, having a tall spine. Maybe your shoulders are drawn down the back. From this position, you are hinging at the hips, folding forward, creating space for that your belly can touch your thighs. This is where the stimulation of the digestive tract comes in, because you're compressing your intestines and your stomach against your thigh. Extending your hands to place onto the ground as you carry your points of your finger into the earth, rooting your feet into the ground. From here, making sure your weight is equally distributed throughout your feet. Maybe you can challenge yourself by having your hands grasp the back of your thighs or your calf. Taking a moment to engage your breath. A gentle and mindful breath, a slow breath. Nostrils opening up to invite air in through the nose. Exhale, maybe folding forward deeper as you bring your chest to meet your knees. If this is challenging for you, you can raise your head up to alleviate maybe any dizziness that may come about, but mostly in this traditional posture, your head, the root of your head, the top of your head is yielding toward the ground. From here, maybe you can extend your knees a little bit taller to allow your legs to straighten and that you meet yourself in the full posture. Taking a moment here to be in stillness, engaging your core, grounding your toes into the earth, letting your hands sink onto the floor. A moment here to breathe. To exit the pose, you can slowly bring your head up, rooting your feet, maintaining your feet rooting into the ground, chest to rise, arms extended out, meeting back into Tadasana. Inhaling one more time, maybe planting your hands together in heart center and being in stillness once more before you yield from the posture. This meets the end of the pose. My name is Candace. I'm a Hatha yoga teacher once again. If you like this posture, please put more ideas in the comments below. Make sure you give me a like. Let me know that you enjoyed this pose. You can do this any time of the day. Anything to help you relieve low back tension. This is one of the main poses that I use to help give me relief for the day. If you'd like to see more from me, make sure you follow the channel, like and subscribe for more. And until next time, peace and light.